The HBU1S diesel heater provides a swift warm-up time, achieving noticeable warmth in just 3.5 minutes, and reaching a temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit in only 5 minutes. Its enhanced combustion efficiency makes it an economical choice, offering significant fuel savings without compromising on performance. Users have the flexibility to control the heater using a smartphone app, a remote, or directly via the control panel, allowing for tailored heating experiences with multiple timers and automatic start-stop functionality. The heater is optimized for high-altitude use, with modes for 8,202 feet and 16,400 feet, ensuring consistent performance in varied terrains. Safety is a priority with this product, as it includes multiple protections against overheating and short circuits while ensuring wide heat distribution, making it suitable for vans, recreational vehicles, and cabins. The versatile installation options, with the ability to mount the heater vertically or horizontally, allow for space-saving and precise indoor temperature sensing for smarter automatic operation.